I'm about to try something I have never tried before. This right here is a cobweb duster. We're gonna take this off. Whoa, that was so satisfying. Look at that. So it's like a little bit harder so that it's just really gonna kind of like wrap around a cobweb. This can go between 6 and 10 feet. Really easy to put together. It just kind of came with the pieces like this. So the end piece, let me show you. The end piece has like the nice little handle here, but all you do is unscrew this and then you can add on another piece and keep going because there are 3 more there. The one thing I really like about it is when I'm not using it, they actually give you the bag to put everything in because, you know, if you don't have space just to leave it long like this, it's kind of hard to pack it away. So I love that I'm not gonna have all the pieces all loosey-goosey all over the place. We can actually pack it away. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but I'm gonna point first. Look at this cobweb. It has been haunting me forever because I can't reach it. So now we are going to try our fancy, oh, there's one in the corner too, okay. So look at the, oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, you just do a little twist. Look, there's some up here. Oh. This is awesome. All right, let's see. Let's see. Oh my goodness. That has been living in the corner for way longer than I care to admit. And in 2 seconds, it is gone. Look at that. This thing is awesome. I know I'm gonna get a ton of use out of this.